Hi guys, and this is a new video about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to delete the saved message on the Snapchat app. So let's check how to do it. First and foremost, we need to open our Snapchat and go to the messages section. We have our newly created chat as an example. So let's send some message, for example, "Hi, my dear," and the heart. Send. And guys, as you can check right now, our messages background is the white. So let's hold on this message and tap on the save in chat option. Right now, as you can check, our background is the gray, which means that our task is mostly done and this message is saved. So guys, how to delete it? We need to work with these messages as with the usual one, because we just need to hold the message on and tap on the delete option to pick on the delete again and remove it from our chats. Now means wherever, if you will save this message on the chat or anyone from the group will do it, no matter, because we need to work with these messages as usual. Hold it on and tap on the delete options 2 times. Very easy. So guys, I hope that this tutorial definitely was useful, and right now you know how to work and how to delete with these messages on the Snapchat app. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool guides about the Snapchat application and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!